Hello and welcome to Procyon Radio and Television News. My name is Nifemi Onibio. First, a quick look at the headlines. Federal government raises corps members' allowance. Nigerian government files fresh charge against Yahaya Bello. Nigeria faced Rwanda in Under-19 World Cup qualifier semis. And now full details of the news. The federal government has approved the increment of corps members' monthly allowance to 77,000 naira with effect from July 2024. In a statement on Wednesday, a spokesperson for the National Youth Service Corps, Caroline Ebu, said the increment was in line with the enactment of the National Minimum Wage Amendment Act 2024. Ebu quoted a letter from the National Salaries, Incomes and Wages Commission dated September 25th, 2024 and signed by the chairman, Ekpo Nta. The National Association of Nigerian Students has called on the federal government to meet with the leadership of the Academic Staff Union of Universities regarding the recent strike threat. The student body noted that a strike was not advisable at this point in time. NAN's Senate President Akintaye Babatunde made this known in Abuja following a fresh 14-day ultimatum issued by ASU over failed negotiations with the federal government. The federal government, through the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission, EFCC, has filed fresh 16-count charge bordering on fraud against the immediate past governor of Kogi State, Yahaya Bello, before an FCTI court. The charges filed through counsels for the EFCC, Kemi Pinheiro, Rotimi Oyedepo, and 7 other lawyers also joined one Umar Shehibu Oricha and Abdusalam Audu as defendants. These were coming following the former governor's absence at the Federal High Court, Abuja, where he was being tried for alleged fraud to the tune of 80.2 billion naira. And now let's dive into the world of sports. Nigeria's women's under-19 cricket team, the junior female Yellow Greens, will face their rivals from East Africa, Rwanda, in one of the semi-finals of the 2025 ICC Women's T20 Under-19 World Cup Africa Qualifier Division 1 on Saturday. Having qualified with a game to spare on Monday, the junior female Yellow Greens cemented the top spot in Group B of Division 1 on Wednesday with a comprehensive 86-run win over Malawi, setting up the last 4 clash against Uganda and Rwanda, who finished second in Group A. Up next is the entertainment news. Activist and social media personality Martins Vincent Otise, popularly known as Very Dark Man, has disclosed why he won't honor an invitation by the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission, EFCC, over an allegation of corruption leveled against officials of the agencies. Recall that Very Dark Man had in a video played an audio recording purportedly belonging to social media personality Bob Risky, wherein the latter said he was asked to pay 15 million naira to have a money laundering charge against him dropped. Responding, the EFCC in a letter invited both Very Dark Man and Bob Risky to its Lagos office to assist investigators unearth the alleged bribery. However, Very Dark Man said he won't be honoring the invite to Lagos because he does not reside there and was not sure of his fate if he goes. He instead asked the anti-graft agency to invite them to their office in Abuja. And with that, we end the news today on Procyon Radio and Television. My name is Nifemi Onibio. Please do not forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel at Procyon RTV. Also, to get the latest news, visit our website at www.procyonnews.com. On behalf of the production crew, thank you for staying with us, and don't forget to keep shining like the star you are.